Hi everybody, Sanbanani. Welcome to my channel. Do make sure that you are subscribed and also do like the video. So Makhumalo Nompilo, Mzansi's favorite mom and daughter, Joe did a live on TikTok, and they talked about a lot of things. But it is good to see Uguti. Regardless of what happened when they were shooting the show, Makumalo does look happy. She does mention that she's still going through some stuff, but she looks happy. And I do like the therapy language that she's speaking, like getting triggered, about narcissists. When you've just done therapy, you analyze everything around you, you even diagnose people around you. Anyways, you guys, here she was talking about because people were asking a lot of questions about her house, who did her house, especially her kitchen, but also they got to offer advice to young girls, her and below, about how to deal with issues of self confidence or low self esteem. And here it is, you guys. I do love them both. I love how they are mom and daughter, but friends at the same time. Makumalo's sister, Osamke, was also there. And I did laugh when they were when she said this is the real Samke. And we all know which Samke they are shading, okay? But it was a fun live that she did. Anyway, thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. Don't forget to like it before we're gonna share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers in Tanda. Cool.
Who did your kitchen? Who did your kitchen? At Easy Life Kitchens. It's Easy Life Kitchens.
Kuhlangene.
Or Easy Life Kitchens. Easy Life Kitchens. Easy Life Kitchens. Ngicela kodwa ningayinoma ikubaniye kuNkosi, please. Unkosi ike phela Esiphingo CTM Esiphingo kukhona uNkosi lapha yana mawufika uthi uMakhumalo uthe ungalishika malami kukhona into eliyokwenzela yona. Guys, I'm being honest on this one. Like igama lami lizoba nje umhlahlandlela ozokwenzela izinto eziright elifeni. Ngicela ukukutshela mawufika lapha Easy Life Kitchens eCTM Esiphingo usho nje ucela uNkosi uBudinkosi bese uyasho ukuthi ku TikTok uMakhumalo uthe. Yabona into zakho ke lapho ke zizohamba kahle kamnandi kanjalo.
Yes.
Phela nifake inkobe
Kabuhlungu.
nabo mpilo sebeneenkophe phela.
Yes.
Want some?
There's a question that says, what would you say to your younger self?
My young self. What would I say?
To your younger self.
Kuningi kakhulu mhlambe ngcono ukuthi umuntu asho ukuthi mhlambe with regards to what, because there are so many things I want to say to my younger self. So
Okay, what would you say to the younger girls that look up to you? If you are young, what can you do?
believe in yourself, that's one. Live your true life. Be yourself at any time, no matter izimo zithini. Be you.
No mighty.
Be you. Like honestly, yes, ukuthi uma kuthiwa iqiniso shall set you free. I think that's one thing engibona isebenza elifini ukuthi iqiniso, as much as it's very difficult ukuthi lizwakale likholakale kunamanga, but iqiniso is one thing that will prevail over everything. Noma namhlanje lingangakholakali na next year nangaloya nyaka, but empilweni yakho ungakafi iqiniso will prevail. Kuyosuka laba ababethu unamanga ngokukhuluma iqiniso bathi kwakuyiqiniso lento wakuyikhuluma. So be honest to yourself. As long as everything you are doing for you. Yonke enye into ingeza ngemuva kwalokho, but nje as long as it's for yourself.
Nkulunkulu
Nkulunkulu.
mkhulu. How does one gain self-confidence as an introverted person? As someone who boosted my confidence,
I really feel like you are perfectly like
capable
in a position to answer this question, because she is an introvert, but we know se khuluma ukudlula mina.
Okay guys, so for the longest time I've had a lot of body image issues, right? So the person who has helped me evacuate from those things was this lady right here. So I would say that I'm kind of introverted or a bit of both, but the main thing is the fact that the things that I was instilled with, the things that were instilled in me as I was growing up were some of the things that kept me going in realizing how capable and how beautiful I am. Obviously, I still have my down moments, but the main thing is the main thing is with you. You really have to change how you speak to yourself. It's difficult, but you have to do it. Small things that you can do. Do your hair, do your nails, do your eyelashes. Small things that can make you feel like, I'm beautiful, Moreover, the reinforcements that you may get in your household. If you don't, that's fine. The main thing is to work on yourself. Reinforce yourself. It's a nice thing, small thing. It's not a big thing to say, I can do something. I'm useful. It was difficult to find a charger. It's not that serious. Be positive. I'm not perfect with positivity. I'm still working on it. But the small things that I can do for myself, I do it. And the small things that my mother can say to me, I try to internalize them. Because, I'm going now. Bye.
Okay, cool. Okay, thank you, Bella.
You see now, you gave it to me.
I did. But I think, to add on what Umpilo is saying, one thing that is very important is to actually realize that you are an introvert, because sometimes you don't even know who's we introvert, and also to understand what it means to be one. You understand what I mean? So that ungabone ngasikho wrong ngawe, and also vumi ukuthi abanye abantu bakwenza ufile ngazo sikhona into wrong ngokuthi uya an introvert. I-introvert right, i-extrovert nayo right, so kuyafana, yabo. So once you realize that you're an introvert, it doesn't mean ukuthi there's anything wrong ngawe, but it means ukuthi uyazicabangisisa izinto, yabo, uyajula ngezinto, awuphakazeli. Hey, I'm going to speak my Zulu from Mzumbi. Awuphakazeli about izinto, interestwa izinto as interest abanye abantu, like from a face value, like everyone else. So once you realize that, uqala wazi ukuthi how to actually deal with yourself in a manner yokuthi nawe ube kind to yourself. Because I think enye into eyenza ukuthi ubone ngathi kunento engazi ukuthi wena like you are some type of way, ingoba awubi kind to yourself, ngoba ngazi usikhonto wrong ngawe, ngoba na kwabanye abantu qaqaqaqampu wena usayicabanga, like you are an overthinker and stuff.
Yes.
Like me, because ukhuluma ngokuba i-introvert kuphela, not to like akakhulumanga ngendaba yokuba mhlawumbe ne-social anxiety, self-doubt, yabo, low self-esteem. Akakhulumanga ngazo zonke lezo zinto, ukhulume nje ngokuba i-introvert kuphela.
Summarizing.
Bekushilo konke.
Summarizing phela I've had
sengisho ukuthi bekatheni yena. Yeah, once you do that, why have you guys no game back? Huh?
Oh, okay. Nina nifuna ukuthi nginibuze lemibuzo ngoba naku
Why have
ngiyakwazi
you
ukuyimonitorisha. But you guys don't give me on my account, you don't give me cowboy hats because even me I want to be a cowboy. You see,
I don't even know what a
Pit-
cowboy
pit-
is here.
God, ugqoke isigqoko. Washa.